All right, we're headed to Dallas. We're gonna go get some pallet racks that we're gonna put all of our junk on this wall right here. This big wall right here is gonna get all the pallet racks. So that's what we're doing today.
What are you doing?
What are we doing?
Get in the truck. Let's go.
What are you gonna do, Russell?
Bye. I'm gonna finish making this video and then work on transmission lines. I'm just gonna try to stay busy.
All right.
Like we got plenty to do to stay busy.
Where are we going, Carter?
Long John Silver's.
Russell used to work at Long John Silver's. He's like, I haven't had. He likes it for some reason. Long John Silver's. What'd you think about it?
Good.
Well, pretty good.
Good.
I don't.
You know, I don't eat there all the time, so.
No, there's not
But
a
it
lot.
was still good.
You don't ever see Long John Silver's. I saw a deal on TikTok. Somebody saw a Long John Silver's NASCAR. They're like, what the hell does Long John Silver's got a NASCAR?
How can I afford that?
Yeah, how can they afford that? There is not even any Long John Silver's. Who the hell's eating there? I guess we did. We got Josh here. We just rolled up to Industrial Commercial Solutions.
South Fort Worth.
Hey, there's a ton of fireworks stores.
Oh yeah.
What's up with that? Why is there so many?
We are unincorporated down in this area, and so we're allowed to pop them off. So.
Oh, okay. I've never seen so many fireworks stands. It's like saturated with fireworks stands.
Yep.
But y'all got
Tremendous amounts of pallet racking material.
yeah.
And we have everything from wire decking to the horizontal load beams to uprights anywhere from 4 feet to 30 feet.
So whatever you need.
Yeah,
And
whatever
y'all-
you need
and
for your warehouse, we provide all sorts of warehouse services, from complete teardowns when people move out to build backups when people move right in. And we provide everything from fire extinguishers to safety bollards to the shelving solutions, mops, broom, I mean, all of it.
Oh, so
And
y'all
then-
are just everything.
Yeah, and then we also do the remodels too. When the people move out, we can come in, we bring crews in and just what's called white boxing the buildings back to their original state to give whoever moves in a clean slate.
Gotcha. Okay. Well, cool. So if you need something for your warehouse, this is the place. We're going to put all their information up in the right here, and then we'll also have it linked in the description below, so y'all can go check it out. And if you have a warehouse or like we just have a small warehouse,
Yeah.
and we're only buying a couple.
There's no warehouse that's too small for us. We do not only warehouses, but we do shipping containers that people have in their backyard for storage. We do garages, we do little shops, and then we also do huge facilities. We're talking 500,000 square foot facilities, 30-foot high uprights. I mean, we're just a sea of pallet racking, and so we do it all, man. There's no job too big, there's no job too small. Everybody is just as important to us.
Heck yeah.
From the big guys to the little guys.
So this is something like right here. Like this is is this like kind of something what we're getting?
So this is a particular brand. This is called what you call a Ridge rack, and this rack has a different connector than some of these other ones.
Oh, I see. It's got like a safety
yeah,
deal.
It's got like a slotted. It does have a safety pin in it. But so some of these other uprights that we have, which is the most common, these ones are called teardrop uprights.
Oh yeah, this is like I've seen these.
And so this is the most common that we see. But we also have what's called a new style or bullet style upright. It's slightly different, but we carry every style. So if you need it, we have it.
Who's this?
This is the yard dog. This is
What up?
Jackson.
What's up, Jackson?
We call him Jackson because he looks like Samuel Jackson.
Hamburgers, the cornerstone of any nutritious breakfast.
Y'all got tons of stuff.
And so right here we have some safety ballards. That,
Oh, these yellow things?
Yep. And those kind of go around the uprights.
Oh, yeah.
to
So
kind
people,
of-
when
so people go-
forklifts and things.
Exactly. And if you look at like some of these, like this used one, you can see these things are all scuffed up here. That's all from forklift drivers hitting them. And so we put these pieces down.
Carter, this is a lot of metal.
Yeah, we definitely got
You've got a lot of metal here.
material here, man.
All right, we got it loaded up. Hopefully strapped down good enough. I don't know. What do you think, Carter?
It's good.
It's good. All right, we're headed to, now we're going to Summit. We got enough pallet racking. Let's head to Summit now. This is where you get all the scratch and dent or open box items that people return to Summit. And they've got a whole section just full of racks of all the return, and it's all heavily discounted. So we're gonna check it out, see if we can't find something that we just can't live without. You think I got any 4 LEDs? What is that? Damn LS. What's up with this LS there?
$5,500. 6.0.
Brand new.
6.0 with rectangular port heads. Also, that's be a LY6.
Yeah, how much horsepower has that got?
This one is probably rated for 452 horsepower.
Watch out. I'll pass.
Well, 60.
How much is a 4L60? 900 bucks. That is? Oh yeah, yeah. They're four-wheel drives though. Are they four-wheel drive?
Yeah.
Well, that's not gonna work. It's not what we need. There's some seats.
Yeah, it's still 18.5.
It's too big.
Too wide.
I found some wheels that you need to put on your truck.
Oh yeah?
Those red ones right there. Dave.
Those red ones?
Those red ones. Look at that. It looks super good on your truck. God, how wide is this? 15 by 15. What that is? Hey, some attacks. I've seen those before. From Rocket Attacks. Those are wide though. Is that
That's 12 inch wide.
looks so much wider than what the 11s? Damn, it's only 160 bucks.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
That's cheap. So, super good deals. Super good deals. Normally $670, and you get it for 160. But you only get one. Oh no, do they have the whole set?
Oh, they have one.
That's all they've got? Oh, there's another seat. Well, that one's broken in half.
Oh, it's got padding and everything.
That's way too big. That looks wide as crap. That looks wide as crap too. Dude, if you needed just one wheel,
Yeah. Or, hey, if you wanted to, you could buy one wheel at discount price, and then turn around and order the other wheel at full price, and you
you get a discount on one.
get,
I guess. These Fooses look good. 50 bucks. Dude,
Walhart.
yeah. $50 for a Foose? Look at these billet specialties. I like those. Have you found anything you need?
No, not today.
Galindo, have you found anything you need?
I don't really think I need anything from here.
It's not like you can come here every day.
Yeah, I'm here every day pretty much.
Yeah. Every time I call you, you're never working. So when do you work?
I work.
Do you actually work here?
Actually work here. It's
I don't
just
think you
that
do.
I'm not working, you know?
I've never been here when you're working.
Yeah.
Never.
Nobody has.
What the heck? I don't think you really work here.
I don't know.
Mm.
I don't know.
We didn't find anything we need. Carter, why didn't you find anything?
Because there was nothing in here I needed. Nothing.
Did you see anything you needed?
No, not really. I found some stuff I possibly need in the future, but
You're not getting it right now.
I'm not gonna get it
Not
right
right
now.
Not right now. All right, we got pallet racks. Now we're headed back to Palestine.
Yeah.
P-Town, baby. Where you going?
I'm going home.
How
Right
far is
down-
home?
About like 15 minutes from here.
Oh, okay.
About like 15.
Okay. You said you've been doing some YouTubing.
Yeah.
YouTubing?
Yeah.
Where you find your YouTubing videos at?
Team Nocturnal Official.
Team Nocturnal Official. Post it up. Go check them out.
Yeah.
Did you record when you went to Vegas?
Yeah, I've got 2 parts out. Part 3's dropping tomorrow.
Heck yeah.
Yeah.
Y'all went to C10 Nationals
C10 National.
in Vegas.
Mhm.
Said it was pretty cool.
It was pretty cool.
You did a burnout on the strip. Did you record that?
What happens in Vegas stays in Vegas. I did.
He said, I did do that. I did do that.
Yeah.
All right, buddy, we're going to get out of here.
All right,
See ya. We're going to be at Buc-ee's in 17 miles. What are you getting?
A lot of junk food.
Junk food.
Yeah. Anything and everything.
I know I'm going to get some jalapeno peanut brittle. Have you had
That's-
that?
Yeah.
It is good.
Their jerky's real good.
The jerky is?
Their jerky's
I've
good.
never had their jerky.
And then their cinnamon
Buc-ee?
roasted almonds, pecan and almonds and stuff.
What about the, what are them, beaver nuggets?
Oh yeah, the beaver nuggets.
That's just like damn pure sugar. What'd you think?
I thought there was parking on this side. Oh,
No.
it's the one in Madisonville.
I was trying to park in that other parking lot, and Carter's like, go to the other side. Nobody hardly parks over there. We made it to Buc-ee. Buc-ee's.
Hey man, we need to get a job at Buc-ee. If
Wow.
there was a Buc-ee's here close by,
You would want to work here?
I would want to be a general manager.
The general manager. Yeah, I'd be a general manager. Shoot yeah, boy.
Hell, I would want to be the food assistant service manager.
You make $33 an hour.
Yeah.
42.
33 to 42. That's pretty damn good.
Quit your job at Walmart and come up here.
I don't live up here.
That's true.
But if I lived up here, I would be working at Buc-ee.
I'm gonna show y'all what I got. I got some kombucha and some dried vegetables. That's what I got at Buc-ee's. What do y'all think Carter got? It's exactly the opposite of what I got. What'd you get, Carter?
Turkey sandwich, some almonds.
Yeah, what kind of almonds?
The warm ones.
You got the warm almonds?
Nah, good.
Are they like sugar coated?
Yep. And then the cinnamon beaver nuggets.
Cinnamon beaver nuggets?
Yeah.
That sounds good.
And then butter toffee.
Butter toffee. I said yours is a lot different than what you got something a lot different than what I got.
Oh yeah.
Not even close.
Not even close. Nothing but straight sugar.
Sugar. You said sugar's not bad for you.
It's not. It's really good for you.
Whatever. Sugar's the worst. #1 drug in America.
How old are you?
41.
Yeah, I'm almost 50, so I don't want to hear it.
What does that have to do with anything?
I live longer than you.
Carter, the Buc-ee sign is right there.
I started eating as soon as I got in the truck.
We've only been in the truck 2 minutes. We only ate that whole sandwich.
We've been in the truck for 5 minutes.
Dude, we just got out of the parking lot and you've already eaten that whole sandwich?
Yeah. Dude, it's good. Sliced turkey was good.
Damn. We made it back. Everything's still on the trailer. Now tomorrow, we're gonna start unloading that, cleaning up all this mess. All these pallets and parts and everything. I think we're gonna start somewhere up here. Starting this pallet racking, but right now we're gonna unload this trailer, unhook this trailer, and head to the casa. All right, we're gonna start by moving all this. You're gonna tear this up? Oh God. Yeah, Carter. I'm telling you, get a screwdriver. You thought you could do it. You thought you were a strong sucker.
Okay.
He said, I'll show you. Oh shit. You just ripped the damn board.
Don't hit the...
Yeah, Carter. Look at you, crash. Gonna break the damn. Oh God! Look, you done hit the camera. You done jacked up the camera, Carter.
I needed a drill.
God. Look at him. He done messed up the camera. It's all cockeyed. Let's fix this thing. Crash. Carter's breaking stuff. Carter's up here breaking stuff, Russell.
Carter's gonna break stuff whenever he does anything.
Yeah. What you doing?
I'm working on trans lines, getting a little bracket, a little factory bracket that holds them, mounts them to the oil pan so they ain't flopping around. And then I just gotta hook up the rubber lines to it, and that's one more thing knocked off the list. Just moving forward.
Heck yeah. Wesley!
Camera's already out. What y'all got going on?
We're, Carter's tearing up stuff, and
That's what he always does.
I speak some wisdom.
he's
What do you
point-
mean?
He's actually fixing stuff over there.
He had to tear it up first.
He did have to tear it up first. What?
That's what my therapist says. You gotta break things down before you can fix them.
Where are you going to start the first one at? Right there. Right there, okay.
We need to Sweep up. What is this?
Is it breaking? It's not breaking.
What is it?
I don't know. It wasn't breakable though.
It's a dash.
Oh, is it really?
Yeah.
Is it the dash?
Yes.
I thought it was a balance.
Ah, Carter. Carter.
All right.
Russell. Carter, you got the box with the dash. Carter goes, oh, this ain't breakable. Just drops it. It's like, that's the dash, dumbass.
Remember what we started this conversation off with?
What?
Partners up there carrying up.
We got one section kind of put together. Whew.
It's standing on its own, so we can
Move it around.
bounce
Woohoo.
around. We might want to put a couple more bricks.
All right, let's do that.
Mailman! That's a hell of AC.
That's your AC? That's your air conditioner? Boy, look at that. You got two
Boy.
fans.
He got that 255 AC. Look,
And he's delivering parts.
You got Flowmaster on here. Look, you got Flowmaster.
Flowmasters on the damn UPS truck?
I like the
Or
ice cream.
Keeps my heater off.
USPS truck. Carter, quit making noise. All right, so we're not going all the way down here. We're gonna go all the way down to this end. Now we gotta move some of these racks around. Just trying to figure out how we're stacking, what we're stacking, and where we're stacking. Aha, but there's nothing to stop it from pulling off.
What do you mean?
Exactly perfect. I thought, you know, it would have had a lip on the other side, you know what I mean?
They did have it.
But it sits down inside there.
Yeah.
So it can't
Yeah.
go anywhere.
That'll work.
Big hammer.
There's a grinder over there.
Big hammer.
Whatever you say.
Big hammer.
Big hammer.
Carter's the big hammer. We figured out, let me show you one key thing, Carter. Show them one key thing that we figured out.
You take these apart. When you're hammering on this thing, don't do that. Pull
There's
that
a little pin.
And then bam.
And just pop it up. It comes
Comes
up.
right apart.
Let's start, keep going. Add another upright, and then we've got more shelves.
That's not bad.
I'm well out. I got dirty, but it took us a couple hours to do that.
About an hour and 45 minutes.
That wasn't bad. And we decided like figuring out where we're gonna put them, all that. Now we gotta fill these things up with junk. Get them off the floor, because looks like crap over here. This is how we've been stacking them. It's been a few weeks since we've had these pallet racks, and you can already see that we're filling these things up fast. And this is probably one of the best things that we've done for this warehouse and garage space that we could do to keep us organized. And we've already got it almost filled up all the way. So we're gonna need to get some more. All these parts right here are for our gray autocross truck. All these parts are for blue collar. More autocross truck parts like the racing seats. We've got Hoosier tires right here. This is great. I mean, it's holding everything. Blue collar stuff, the wheels that we're gonna run, our rocket racing attacks that are gonna go on our autocross truck. We got some burnout engines. There's an LS in there that me and Carter have been working on. More of this parts and pieces that go to our burnout truck, kind of put it on the back burner. But this keeps us organized, and if you need some pallet racking or anything for your warehouse, check out Industrial Commercial Solutions in Fort Worth, Texas. Give them a call. They ship all across the United States. They can help you out and get you taken care of. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like, a subscribe, hit that little bell notification, and remember, do what makes you happy, and we'll see you on the next one.